here we are, finally an Astro van video. I know you've been waiting. I've been all over the place on the YouTube page lately. This is a preventive maintenance video because I was starting to have that issue with the handles. A lot of people complain that these handles are fragile and they break, and mine were real stiff. Back one, side one, all of them. And I was opening them every once in a while. I was like, shit, I'm gonna break one of these handles. And then about 2 weeks ago, I was looking underneath the chassis and I was like, shit, it's about time to spray this again with WD-40. That's my thing. It's my product right here. This is the stuff. You should have this. You should go through several cans of this a year. You should go through 1 or 2 cans a month on this thing. Just spray your chassis down. Spray it, especially if you live at the beach. All my friends here, their cars rust out, the chassis rust out. I had a very little bit of surface rust showing up in a couple little spots on the springs and whatnot. I sprayed it down. A week later, looks like brand new. Looks like brand new again. This stuff's amazing. So, this is your moment of the day. One finger. One finger. Very simple. So all I did was I sprayed in here. I sprayed in here on all the handles, and now they're perfect. Every one of them works perfect. So that's that. Just get yourself some WD-40 and spray that stuff down. It's very simple. I've been doing this since I was a kid. Oh, the t-shirt. You might notice the t-shirt here. It's a funny story. I got a note on Instagram one day. Somebody had bought the same van, watched my videos, and did everything I said to do when it comes to the lift. Then they contacted me and they said, I did the lift, bought all the stuff you said to get, and my rear end's too high. So I said, well, send me a phone number and I'll try to straighten it out. Turned out to be this woman, really nice gal, Valeska, thank you, you're a sweetheart. And so she did what I told her to do, which was to lower the rear end one hole in the shackle, which basically raise it one hole, which basically lowers the rear end with the S10 springs. So she just sent me a couple t-shirts, sweatshirt and a couple t-shirts with the Astro Van Tribe logo on it. I think that's kind of cool, and that's kind of nice. So anyhow, I'm gonna get cruising here. You have a good day. Be nice to each other. Astro Van Tribe, preventive maintenance. Fix it before it's broken, right? Get underneath the vehicle and look at it. Check your bushings. If you got an all-wheel drive, check the engine sag. All that stuff. Join the groups on Facebook and whatnot. Friday, no, today is Friday. Sunday, I'm gonna do a video. I'm planning to do a video. I'll be comparing the Astro Van to another iconic vehicle that the Astro Van is surpassing in popularity, I believe. I don't know, maybe not forever. That's kind of a grandiose statement, but I'm gonna get in there with a tape measure. I'm gonna measure the interiors of both vehicles, and I'm gonna crawl around underneath them, show you the chassis, and show you why the Astro Van is better. You'll see.